Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with essentials. Make sure your Chromecast is plugged into an HDMI port and powered, and that your controller device is online. Once done, open the Google Home app on your phone or Chrome browser on your PC to detect the device. You'll be shown a setup code on the TV. Match it to the app. This pairing step establishes a secure link and verifies you're configuring the right unit, so take a moment to confirm the code before proceeding. Once the app detects Chromecast, you'll assign a name and room to keep devices organized. Then choose the Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Pick 5 GHz for better streaming when available, or 4 GHz for longer range. Make sure the Chromecast firmware is updated when prompted because updates improve stability and codec support. After an update, the device may reboot. Be patient. These configuration choices affect latency and quality. So to cast, open a supported app or Chrome, tap the cast icon and choose your Chromecast. Playback begins on the TV while you control it from the phone or laptop. If video lags, lower resolution in the app or move devices closer to the router. When finished, stop casting to free the Chromecast for others. If casting fails, reboot the Chromecast and router, confirm both devices share the same network, and check for firmware updates. That single reboot resolves most connectivity quirks quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.